Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Saliha Karakaş. What is that? Can you hear me? My name is Saliha Karakaş and I'm working as a Deputy FRIT Coordinator. Can you hear my voice? Is right now okay? Okay, thank you. My name is Saliha Karakaş and I'm working as the Deputy FRIT Coordinator for the Directorate General of Social Assistance under the Ministry of Family and Social Services in Turkey. I will tell you about the journey of the ESSN program, which is the Emergency Social Safety Net program for the refugees under the FRIT program. As an example of good practices, however, by its nature, I will be talking about two programs. First, and in short, I will like to tell you about the background. Why it didn't function? Okay. Sorry. The process started with the millions of people coming to Turkey after the crisis in Syria broke out in 2011. Turkey was suddenly faced with a migration wave. Considering that the situation was temporary, these people were initially hosted in several camps, mostly located in the border provinces. During 2011 and 16, these people were supported by the in-camp programs, which was a cash assistance program in partnership with the Presidency of Disaster and Emergency Management, named AFAD in Turkey, the Turkish Red Crescent, and the UNWFP. On the other hand, these people were also supported in many areas such as health, education, and social services. Right now, we have 8 temporary accommodation centers which are still in use in Turkey. One of them is in Elazığ, which is only for the Ukrainian refugees. These camps are also assisted with cash assistance program, also funded with the WFP and implemented with the TRC. We needed also to build our governmental bodies in an effective way. Therefore, we, with the international standard, of course, the asylum law, the law on foreigners and international protection, entered into force in 2014. The Presidency of Migration Management was established, in which the refugees can get their ID numbers to access all the services what the Turkish citizen also can get. The temporary protection regulation constituted for Syrian refugees was also adopted. The ESSN applications, we can receive these through our Social Assistance and Solidarity Foundations, which are acting under the ministry in 1,003 districts in Turkey. And the applications, we use them with the Integrated Social Assistance Information System. This system is in use by the ministry and can collect over 30 from the 30 governmental bodies information regarding the people. On the other hand, we increase the capacity for Turkish Red Crescent as well, because Turkish Red Crescent is our partner in this program. The Turkish Red Crescent established service centers. At the first, between 2016 and 18, we had 18 service centers. Right now we have 9 in different districts with the refugee density. We also established a 168 call center. I mean, the call center name is 168. Every person can call this number without paying any fee. And if a refugee is calling this number, the case is followed by the case tracking system. TRC supported us with different feedback mechanisms like call center or social media accounts, advocacy and sensitization activities, verification, referral on protection and livelihood cases. These activities are also done by different teams together with TRC and MNE. TRC, MNE, CA, verification outreach teams, both from TRC and ministry side. This is the map, actually, our what we use in this program. The applications are received through SASF and Turkish Red Crescent Service Centers. We use the ESSN system for the application. In the ESSN program, first of all, WFP and then the IFRC were also included in these programs. We have also the conditional cash transfer program for refugees, which was supported by UNICEF. On the other hand, we have the PMM, the financial support partner, Halkbank, DGPC, which is the Directorate General for Population and Citizenship. On the other hand, we have also MONE, which is the Ministry of National Education. All these bodies, organization, institution are working together for three, actually, ESSN, CSSN, and CCTE program, which are mostly implemented for the refugees, for the Syrian refugees. We began with the ESSN program in 2016. The ESSN 1 and 2 was implemented with the WFP and founded by DJ ECHO. One of the implementation partners was also TRC. ESSN 1 and 2 was between 2016 and till March 2020. During this period, we made some implementation regarding the program. In 2017 August, we had the first top-up payments. Why the top-up payments? Because when we build the cash assistance program, we need to align this with our national assistance programs. Since the monthly cash transfer, the cash payments cannot be allowed the national assistance, program stakeholders agreed to the quarterly top-up payments. The scope of the additional several disabled payments came into force in August 2018. This was for the people who were seriously injured or could not continue their treatment because of the war. In the first stage, every several disabled people could get 600 Turkish lira per individual. And the following time, there was a point that we saw that people who could not meet the program criteria, they were outside of the program. So we started to give our SASF the allowance. With the allowance, they could see. Okay, I got it. Actually, we tried to minimize the exclusion error and with this allowance. In 2020, the WFP exit with the program and IFRC partnership began. Right now, we have actually ESSN 4 and CSSN 2 in one program, which is called SSN, the Social Safety Net. This is a direct grant for the ministry. in partnership with TRC together. The social safety net is funded by DG NEAR, implemented with TRC and the ministry, and the project budget is 781 million euro. We have different payments for the beneficiaries. I think the time is over, so I don't know how to conclude, but I know it's a big program, so that's why the PowerPoint presentation was a bit detailed. Okay, here very short, you can see in detail the nationality breakdown. In ESSN we have mostly Syrian people, Iraqi, Afghan, and Irani people. The age breakdown is mostly between 0 and 70 years old. Same for the CSSN project. Again, the national breakdown, we can see the Syrian, Iraqi, Afghan, and Irani people. These are the activities what we do actually. We are mostly doing our project in data-driven studies. We do pre-assessment, post-assessment baselines, monitoring studies to establish the program in a way where the people can benefit from them in a good way. Thank you very much.